Today, I will be making one of the most popular takeaway dishes in the UK. Can you guess what it is? Chicken chow mein, a Chinese classic. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. Chicken chow mein is firmly planted in the noodle wall of fame as one of the all-time most loved noodles. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need about 200 grams of chicken breasts, thinly sliced, but you can also try it with seafood, meat or tofu. 4 cups of green cabbage, 1.5 tablespoons of peanut oil, 2 garlic cloves, 200 grams of chow mein noodles, 1 carrot julienned, 3 spring onions chopped, and 1/4 cup of water. And for the sauce, you will need 2 teaspoons of cornflour, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and some white pepper. Let's get started. Step 1. Mix the corn flour and soy sauce together. Then mix in the remaining sauce ingredients. Step 2. To marinate the chicken, pour 1 tablespoon of sauce over the chicken. Mix to coat, then set aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. Chow mein probably originated in northern China and has become popular all over the UK and many other countries in the world. Step 3. Prepare the noodles according to the package instructions. Step 4. Heat the oil in a large frying pan over a high heat. Now add the garlic and stir fry this for about 10 seconds or until it starts to turn golden, but be careful to not let it burn. Step 5. Now add the chicken and stir fry until the surface gets a tinge of browning but inside is still raw for about 1 minute. Chow mein is authentically Chinese. The name itself is derived from the Thai Chinese word Chow Mein. The dish was invented by people in a city called Taisha, which is located near the Pearl River Delta. Step 6. Now add in the cabbage, carrot and some of the spring onion. Stir fry this for about 1.5 minutes until the cabbage is mostly wilted. Step 7. Add the noodles, sauce, and water and stir fry this for 1 minute, tossing constantly. Now add the remaining spring onion, then remove from the heat. All done! Now it's time for the part I've been waiting for, the taste test. Let's give it a try. I'm not very good with chopsticks, so I'll be using a fork. This is so delicious, a definite must try, and it definitely tastes like it comes from the takeaway restaurant. So give it a try. Now that was amazing! What's your favorite type of chow mein? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. See you all next time. Goodbye!